दिन पहले मुझे एक SMS आया था और उस SMS में ऐसा लिखा था कि मत कर यकीन हाथों की लकीरों पर, मत कर यकीन हाथों की लकीरों पर, क्योंकि तकदीर उनकी भी होती है जिनके हाथ नहीं होते। और मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि यही भावना, यही जज्बा आज यहाँ हमको देखने को मिला।
I am not what happened to me. I am what I choose to become. I wish all God's blessings to all these victors of these attacks. I wish them all God's blessings, great courage. May you shine and inspire other people with just your courage. Thank you so much for giving us this opportunity to walk with you.
सुंदरता हमेशा डिमांड में रहती है, लेकिन ये बहुत ही अफसोस और शर्म की बात है कि हम सिर्फ जो सामने सुंदर दिखाई देता है उसे अपनाते हैं, सुंदर चेहरा, सुंदर शरीर। लेकिन मैं समझती हूँ कि असली सुंदरता वो है जहाँ हमारे विचार सुंदर हों, हमारी सोच सुंदर हो, हमारा मन सुंदर हो, हमारे शब्द सुंदर हों और हमारी आत्मा सुंदर हो। और मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ अमृता जी का, जिन्होंने आज मुझे यहाँ बुलाकर ये मौका दिया कि मैं इतने सुंदर लोगों से आज यहाँ मिली हूँ।
You meet these victors, you work with one person or two person, try to change their life. But what this foundation is going to be doing and what the Vijayatai, what they are doing together, Amrita ji and Vijayatai, this platform is so important, not just because you're just rehabilitating them, but because you're looking at it holistically. And I love what you said. What we need is new laws, implementation of those laws, and please ban that acid. We all have been for years talking about how much this acid destroys lives, but it's still so easily available. Devendra ji, please do something about this. I beg of you, pray of you. This has to stop somewhere.
Amrita Bhabhi, it's amazing all the roles that you play, from being a wife to a mother to a banker, and now lending your wonderful voice to such a wonderful cause. Thank you so much for having us participate, because I truly believe that each one of us here who was part of the Confidence Walk today is truly blessed to have this opportunity. It's an opportunity for us to walk with these victors and make our lives more meaningful through contributing, a little bit of our time on a platform like this.
Think that we are worth it to walk on stage and not give courage but take courage from them. And इनके जो जज्बा है, इनका जो बेबाकपन है, ये देख के मैं काफ़ी मुतासिर हुआ हूँ. And I would love to apply it to my family and tell them कि छोटी चीज़ों से मत डरो. You got bigger battles and we have the victors with us.
I think Amrita ji is not only a banker and a great singer, but she's got a heart of gold. जितना मैं इंटरेक्शन करता हूँ, बातें करता हूँ, इतनी नम्रता, इतना इमोशन सोसाइटी के लिए है, मैंने बहुत कम लोगों में देखा है. लिप सर्विस इज वेरी इजी, यानी कि बोल के निकल जाना, कुछ कर देना, बट कुछ वाकई करना और एहसास होना दिल में किसी के लिए, वो बहुत बड़ी बात होती है.
It just sends a deep shiver down my spine to even think and imagine what these acid victors have gone through, and I want to salute them. I think rather than we inspiring them, they inspire us, and I think the world is your oyster. The smiles on your faces are so encouraging for us, and I think you've got hearts of steel, and with these smiles I think you can become even bigger than us and conquer the world. I mean, that is the way forward, and salute to all of you.
To all the acid attack victors, you warriors, you inspire us. I just salute you for your courage, for inspiring us, for inspiring every single person in the audience here today. You are unbeatable, and I love you, and God bless you.
मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि मेरा जो फाउंडेशन है, सूर्योदय फाउंडेशन, इसके तहत मैं भी आर्मी के जो वॉर विडोज़ और बच्चे हैं, उनके लिए हम लोग भी कुछ काम कर रहे हैं.